This is my recipe for today. Champignons with mussel and shrimp. See you on premiere. Bye-bye. This is my top view. Yes. That's it. Okay. Add champignons, mushrooms. Okay, see you later. I use olive oil and margarine. Put ginger. Put garlic. Put onion. Put champignons. Put a little bit brown the champignons. Mix it. I want a little bit brown the champignons or mushroom. Put fish sauce. Mix the shrimp. And the mussel. the black pepper. Black pepper. So a little bit. We put a little bit spicy. It's cooked already, but I love spicy. And then the green spring onion. Spring onion. We have to put the spring onion. So that's it. So if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, do subscribe and give me a like. Hit the bell for my notification. And share. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, likes. Give me a likes. And comment down below. See you on premiere. This is my mussel and shrimp champignons recipe. See you on premiere. I love this. It looks so yummy. We have to taste it. The mussel. This is mussel. Yum. And this is champignons. Mushroom. The spicy, really. And the shrimp. Thumbs up. Yummy. The man cutting the pens. See, look at that. It's far from here, but I have to focus to my professional cam. See, look at that. They are two cutting the pens. They are three person. See, that's it. Beautiful surrounding. Okay, this is my focus. And then we have to remove it in focus. This is my surrounding now. Greenery surrounding.